Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Set up a Pinterest business account and claim your domain so analytics work. Next, pick CPA offers that match a visual audience. Think how-to, product solves, or lead magnet. Check EPC and payout. Once done, build 3 landing variations and a single tracking domain to unify click routes. Make sure to configure tracking tokens and campaign-level UTM parameters. This simplifies optimization. Finally, link the landing pages to your tracker and test clicks through the full funnel before you launch. You now create high-converting pins, vertical 2, 3 images, a square option, and a story ratio. Use bold headlines and 1 clear CTA. Then build campaigns by objective. Start with traffic, then conversions once data accumulates, and layer targeting, broad interests, exact keywords, and act-alike audiences. Once live, split test creatives, CTA, and landing variants with separate ad groups. Use manual bids at first to control spend. Monitor hourly for the first 48 hours, then shift to daily optimization. To finish, scale validated winners. Raise budgets by about 20% per day and duplicate top ad groups into new campaigns to expand reach. Make sure to optimize continuously, add negative keywords, remove poor pins, and improve landing funnels for speed and clarity. If conversions drop, troubleshoot quickly. Audit your tracking links, confirm pixel events, swap creatives, lower bids, and check for audience overlap. One key tip: if tracking breaks, pause traffic, run a single test click from pin to conversion, and fix redirects before resuming spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.